Today is the day that Rarity is finally gonna get a bath. Isn't she excited? I try to comb the hair, as you can see, so that it's gonna be easier to wash. Easier to wash the hair if you like comb it and stuff. It doesn't look very good, but yeah. I need to strip her clothes down so that she could be washed properly, of course. And over here there is the other horses over here. So yeah, I'm just gonna take off the clothes and just comb it for a bit, and it should be almost ready to get washed. Are you excited? Oh my god. There we go. I took the clothes off. Steal her look if you want. I sewed these clothes to fit the plushies pretty good. This is from real shirt that I have sewed to fit a pony. Very nice. This is just a skirt, and I almost couldn't take this off, so I'm glad I did. And this is tie. The reason why Rarity is the only one getting a bath, because she is the most dirty one. Yeah. As you can see, Mark. I can't wait to clean this thing, and she doesn't have a voice box or anything like that, so yeah. See, there's like stains everywhere and stuff. Well, let's get to it. It's taking out, making the hair more untangled, so it's easier to wash. Sorry if my voice is a bit bad. I am currently a little bit sick. It's not gonna stop me from washing this, hopefully, because I was meaning to do it today, but then I got sick, so that wasn't very good. So it's not too tangled. I found this video where it showed you how to clean these plushies, so I was like, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna link the video in the description if you want to check it out. It goes more in depth in what you should do. This is not exactly a tutorial, this video. I'm just doing what I think is the best. I think that's good enough to be able to then wash it. I'm gonna be washing it in the sink because I don't need that big of a space. It's basically gonna be a mini bath. So let's see what will happen. Okay, so here are the things that I could be using. We have this as the cloth, and we also have a bigger version where you can see all the Rarity's hair. We have this, which could be used to brush stains, and I brung this because I thought I'll need it maybe. We got a bigger cloth. Rarity's here. Be using this shampoo mainly. Let's see, it's supposed to be for hair, but it could be used for body, I think. I used to use this for my hair, but now all I do is just use water, plain water. We also have this raspberry conditioner, which will be perfect because who doesn't like raspberries? It's like a glove for washing stuff. Perfect. So here's the sink. Make sure it's clean and stuff. And I also found this, which I cannot make this video without this, so very good that I found it. So yeah, let's first fill it up with warm water and add shampoo in it. A bit of shampoo. There we go. Hopefully Rarity fits here. I didn't actually check that, but it'll probably be good, right? Make sure that that's not... Oh, this is actually taking a bit longer than I expected. Make sure it's not too hot or cold, just right. And now I'm just gonna be adding this thing in it. Watch this. Oh my god. Oh, the hair! Oh my god, it's heavy. What? Oh, look how easy it is to like untangle it. What? My first time washing anything like this. It's so weird. But it's going as I expected. Everything is fine. I'm just gonna add shampoo on the pony so it can. There we go. I hope I'm doing this right. Oh my god. Oh my god. Make sure to press the pony into the water so it can get. Wow. Rarity is so heavy. Okay, I think that's enough. There we go. This? Look at that. It's stained. It's not coming. Oh, it's getting worse. What? What is this? No. Oh, I'm so heavy. Oh. Just squish it down. Oh, it smells lovely. It's very good. Just gonna pause it. Okay, now I'm gonna be using this. Is it doing it? I'm not sure. I think we're gonna need some sort of brush. Okay, let's see what else we can use. Okay, how about this? It's like pen ink. Verity, what were you doing? Okay. I'm gonna get a sponge or something. Okay, we do not have a sponge. I'm just gonna add more shampoo because, oh my god, I think I had too much. Oh, I have this. This could work. Ah, there. Oh, I think it's working. Ah, oh, oh. Poof. Melt the hair with water and shampoo. We're going to be using a conditioner pretty soon. Oh, so much bubbles. Oh, it's perfect.
My hooves are getting positively pruny. I've been waiting here so long.
After like 20 minutes of squishing Rarity, the water has to go away. Can't stay too long in water, otherwise it'll break. In and looked around Rarity to see any stains, and I couldn't really find any. I think it actually worked, which is very good. What I'm gonna be doing now is putting shampoo and conditioner in the hair, because look at the hair. What is that? What kind of style is that, Rarity? And mix it in the hair. Not too much. I put too much. That's okay. Maybe it'll work better. Ooh. So much shampoo. I think I put. This is how I spend my holidays. To put some water on it. Okay, so after like 6 minutes of just pushing the shampoo in the hair, I'm going to be using finally hair conditioner. There we go. Don't need that much. Perfect. This really helped. Wow. I really hope that Rarity is okay after this and that she can still stand and stuff. I really don't want this plushie to be ruined after this. Conditioner, I'm using the pink raspberry one. This is a good way to do it. Oh, it smells great. You should probably squish all of the stuff. Hey Bruce, what you doing? Oh, you already got a bath, didn't you? Yeah. So, anyway, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put more conditioner in the hair. The hair looks pretty good. I think I'm gonna have to wash it again. It needs to be dried because there's still water in it. Do that. Be back. And there we go. All it needs now is to be squished and make sure there's enough water So the soap gets out. That was my dog. He thinks he's gonna take a bath because I'm giving Rarity a bath. Hey there. What's wrong? Richard, what's wrong? Alex, shut up. Alex, shut up. Alex! He is jealous of Bruce. Anyway, Rarity looks so clean. She is so much more white. Look, she can still stay up, which is good. It is important to wash it right, because the plushie could get completely soaked and just, I don't know, die. So be careful how you're doing this. The hair doesn't look too great, but I'm going to be fixing that. I'll show you. Oh, Jesus. I'm just going to be drying it. Rarity is a bit skinnier, which I hope is not a bad thing. Anyway, it should be fine. Oh my god, Rarity looks like a baby! Don't leave it too wet to dry, of course. The hair is still crumbled and stuff. That's okay. I'm gonna fix that later, of course. And all the stains are off, which is really good. That was a great video. I've watched it like 100 times to see how to clean it. How to clean the ponies and stuff. I'll link it into the description so you could watch it. It goes more in depth into the cleaning, washing process. Also, she is very happy. Very nice. I'm just gonna comb the hair, and then I will be doing something else with it. Hi, Pumpkin! It is now the next day. Rarity is now all dried. Didn't expect it to take the whole day though. The texture on Rarity is different. It just looks like fish texture. I don't know why. Fat fish. Rarity still stands up. Everything's still normal. I have combed the hair, and now this device. This was meant for hair, so to straighten it, you have to be very careful. It must be on a setting that doesn't burn it. Make sure this thing doesn't burn the hair and the thing underneath where it's placed on. Man, it was really hard to get a good angle on this. Make sure the hair is arranged. Oh my god, it's so hot. I've tried to make it on the lowest setting. Oh, it's actually working. There we go. Is it getting better? Ooh, I think it is getting better. To make sure it's not burning. But look, the hair is all like easy to like get out now. That's very interesting. So this is how it looks like when it's ironed, and this is when it's not ironed. And I'm using this because it makes it straighter, I guess. Should probably use a smaller one. I don't have that much space on my phone to record the whole hair process. So I'm gonna be back. Basically, all I'm doing is just this. Easy. Literally the entire morning of just combing and brushing the hair and burning it. This is how it looks like now. Ah, hey, don't touch Rarity. It still looks a bit fuzzy, but way better than what it was. I'm so happy of it. There's how the hair looks like. I'm gonna be now putting some clothes on, and it smells great. Here, you can smell it. Now, let's give you some makeover.
Wow! You look great!
And here it is. It took forever to put on the clothes, all the chains and the ties and the ribbon. But at the end, it looks very good. This just took such a long time and I did not expect that to happen. I'm just so like stressed out because every time I was like washing it and just brushing it and fixing the hair, I just thought, is this really worth it? Can this work? And it got better. I am glad I did wash it. Here is Fluttershy with her not so great hair, and you see the difference. So obviously this is all washed and combed. Great hair, not so great hair. As you can see, it's like crusty and stuff. As I was ironing the hair, I noticed that some of the hair pieces are like coming off. That wasn't supposed to happen, but it is expected to. Some of the hair would be lost while like brushing it and stuff. It's nothing that big of a deal. I was going to make the hair curly, but I'm not sure how to do that, and it looks fine like this, really. I tied the back like this because I thought it would look cool. Not really sure what happened here. The ribbon makes it look like a present. Every time I start recording, I forget what to talk about, so I made a list on what I should probably say in the video. The dogs are fine. Everything is fine with them. I'm gonna go feed them in a moment. You can also wash the hair again after you have like ironed it to make it look better. But I decided not to do that because I don't want to put too much time into making Rarity more fabulous. That's optional. It's Twilight with her ribbon. Oh, she has bells. Oh, I could have put bells on Rarity, but yeah, it doesn't matter. I don't know if I could just do everything. I have so much plans for like these plushies and stuff. I want to make more videos for them, but I just never have like that much time really. I have like obviously school and stuff that is probably more important to do. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope that this helped you. Maybe you could also clean your plush, comment anything, and yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.